Hey, yo, this is Dash, and welcome to Off the Grill Armory. So, today, I have something a little different. I am visiting family in Florida, and I happen to see signs for a gun show. So, I am walking into said gun show right now. I'm gonna bring you guys along. I can't remember the last time I went to a gun show, so I guess we're gonna see what has to be offered. All right. So, walking in, immediately greeted by that.
I used to tease it was not the September 30th, and I used to say, I did the mag.
All the mags. All the mags.
A couple of weeks long. Months after pro. And my dad had a car wheel back in the 30s.
Hello,
Good
Sunshine.
morning. How you doing?
I'm blessed by the best. Everything here I personally made.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Name, ma'am? I'm sorry. I
My
didn't.
name is Connie Hendricks.
All right, Miss Connie.
I'm with Hendricks Manufacturing. This
Okay.
is my own company
All
out
right.
of Lake City, Florida.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
And I make Bible cases, tablet cases, assorted concealed carries, rifle cases, AR cases, jelly, and a whole lot more.
I love it. Wow.
Those are my ladies under the skirt thigh holster. Those
Okay.
are the ankle holsters.
All right. All right.
Belly bands. These are like a softer version of a sneaky Pete
Okay.
for just the pistol.
Yeah.
These right here is one of my more popular items.
Okay.
People sees your phone out here,
Uh
they don't pay attention to what you got.
huh. Okay. Hiding in the back, huh?
And I got 6 sizes. I can make them whatever color you want. I
Wow.
got Bible cases, tablet cases, assorted concealed carries, rifle cases, AR cases, jelly, and a whole lot more. I got
I like
2
you.
styles in 5 sizes.
Oh wow. Yeah. Look at that.
This model is more for people like me.
Yeah.
Because when I find a good scripture I want to find again,
Okay.
I like to highlight.
Yes, ma'am.
So I give you lots of highlighters
Nice.
and a notepad.
Okay.
They all have a bookmark.
Okay. And where's your pistol fit on that one?
Well, technically
Oh.
it wasn't designed
Okay.
for such.
Okay.
However,
You can get a second
my
bag for your Bible.
bodyguard fits perfect right there.
Okay, all right. That little
But it
380.
does have a little handle.
Okay.
Handle, and
I like
they're
that.
made of weatherized material.
Yes.
So if you get caught in a downpour,
Okay. Like this
It's
morning,
protected.
just like what the one that just happened.
Uh-huh.
That was kind of crazy.
yeah.
I like these actually.
Those are 30, these are 40.
Okay. These are 30. These are 40.
Right.
The smaller one, I guess, is
Well,
more packed.
the
more.
style.
Okay.
The style.
Okay. All right.
And everything that I make, I warranty.
Okay.
So any stitching ever gives loose,
Okay.
you bring it back.
Yes, ma'am.
You send it back.
Okay.
I repair, I return.
Mag pouches. Wow.
The doubles are 25, the
Okay.
triples are 30,
Okay. And singles.
and the singles, these right here are for like inside the waist. Those are 15, these are 19.
Yeah. All right. Oh man, this is dope. All right.
I even have bags for on the front of walkers.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
got drink holders for on the walkers,
Oh,
or
my goodness.
the horizontals here, like for the scooters.
Okay.
With the baskets that go sideways.
Yes. Yes. I like
And
this.
everything that I make, I warranty.
Yep. We.
So any stitching ever gives loose,
Yes.
you bring it back. You send it back.
Yep.
I repair, I return.
All right. So, is this your address here with the
Yes.
phone number?
Yes.
All right. So if you see something that you like, reach out to Miss Connie. Tell her Dash sent you. All right.
Okay.
Because I'm trying to figure out how I can get a double mag pouch, but I have my mags in my pocket already.
It would get a back sort of like that right there.
Okay.
Instead of,
Yeah, those are too small. Those
Yeah.
didn't work for me.
that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
But instead of making the back like that,
Okay.
I can make the back like that.
Okay, like a softer pouch, more forgiving.
Right. I can make it
Taller. Okay.
to fit your neck.
Okay. All right. Well, I will. Look, I'm gonna think about this,
Okay.
and if I don't, on the way out, I will reach out to you.
Now let me tell
Yes,
you a
ma'am.
little something about these guys. These guys.
Oh wait. This is the jelly you were talking about.
That's my jelly.
I thought
and
you was joking.
No, I have one that you won't get nowhere else,
What is that?
and that is my
Oh.
bed jelly.
Bed jelly?
Yeah, it's
okay,
blackberry,
blackberries.
elderberry, date
Okay,
together.
all right.
B-E-D. And I've got red grape,
Yo.
beauty berry, and
Oh, man.
mayhawk.
Miss Connie, I love it. I love it. So what are these wraps for? Is this just
These are cleaning mats.
okay?
These are for pistols or 2x3.
Okay.
These are
For
for
rifles.
rifles or 2x4.
Uh-huh.
These are sleeves for extra barrels.
Okay.
And these are assorted size mats for on the table at the range.
Okay.
That are only $10. The pistol cleaning mats are 12 and the rifles are 15.
Okay.
These are 10.
Miss Connie, how about I have a mobile firearms maintenance business, and I
Okay.
will come out and maintain your firearms for you. So I
I
need
don't
some.
have firearms, I just have cases.
We got to change that. So tell me about these bags.
These guys right here have been put to the test.
Okay.
In the most humid part of the year, I had a dealer friend put a weapon in one,
Yes.
put it in his trailer, and left it
For how long?
for 2 solid months.
Oh wow.
Not one spot of rust.
That's what's up.
Feel inside that pocket. You feel the weatherization on that?
Oh yeah, that's nice.
That's liner and outside.
Okay.
And 1-inch padding.
Wow.
Now, while you're recording,
Yeah.
that
Okay.
is
Oh.
what goes inside of those.
Okay. That's nice. Wow. Nice. Oh, suppressor pads to take them off. Oh man, look at you. You got to make sure that the labels are up the right way though.
Well, I thought I did. Somebody moved it on me or something. Because I had one stack that was supposed to be
Oh,
that
okay,
way so you
okay.
could see them.
All right. Well, that makes more sense too.
Yeah,
Oh,
that
my
fell
goodness.
off the table yesterday and I had to put it back up. That
You
is
make
my
these bags too?
That is my triple pistol range bag.
How much is this one?
That one is $125.
Okay. Oh, I like these. Miss Connie, I like this. I was not prepared. I was not prepared to buy anything today. I was just literally, I saw the sign on my way to get coffee this morning. I said, oh, I'll double back in a little bit. But now I'm looking around, you got me thinking. But I do have your contact information. I'm going to take this and take a picture of it so I can call you. Where's the, oh, you got a card for me?
Not only do I have a card.
Oh boy,
I
and
have
a pen.
pen.
Look, this is a woman after my own heart. Has her own marketing materials. So look, I'll say I'll trade you,
Okay.
but I'll give you one of my cards. So one of my businesses is I do barbecue.
Okay.
Aside from my barbecue, like I said, I have this firearms channel on YouTube and things I'm going to get together. So here, I'll give you a couple cards.
Okay.
But I'm based in Baltimore, but I'm
Baltimore?
down. Yes, ma'am. But I'm down here visiting family.
Yeah.
So, but I will have to reach out to you. But
My mother and my stepdad used to live in Aberdeen and
okay.
Hackney, Grace.
Yeah. That's about an hour north of where I am.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Miss Connie.
My pleasure.
All right.
This is my newest item. It's
So-
a skeet bag.
Oh, for shotgun and different barrels.
These actually for the barrel inserts.
Okay.
That
See, I'm not
changes
a.
from a 410 to a 12 to a 16 to a 20.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not a shotgun
then-
guy. So.
And then you got for your lower and 2 double barrel uppers
What?
and whatever else you want to carry.
Miss Connie, that is really. How much is that bag?
This one is 220.
Okay. That looks like a lot of time and
then
energy
I've
went into
got
that one.
Short scopes and tall scopes
Yep.
that I'm about out of.
Yeah.
And my AR cases
Okay.
that normally I have a 30, 32. I'm out of my 38 and
Okay.
a 42.
Wow.
And then I've also got a special case that I make for the Keltec 2000.
Yeah, the sub
And for
2000.
the AR pistol.
Okay.
I sold both of those yesterday.
All right. Well, don't tell me about it if you don't have. No. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
All right. I'll see you.
Have a blessed one.
Thank you. You too.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never.
All right. So I am leaving. I got a sling and I got a magazine. So, but there were some interesting things in there. Lots of revolvers, lots of older guns, some collectors things, lots of old ammo. There was one dude, his table was nothing but odd ammo, and you could smell the old odd ammo. It just smelled like old people. But it was pretty interesting. It ended up costing me $8 to get in. Due to the fact that I'm a NRA instructor, they gave me $1 off. So if you have an NRA membership and or are a NRA member, they gave me $1 off. So I started filming, as you saw, and then I was abruptly shut down. Like, I walked in and the first person was like, I had my camera in my hand. And he said, "What do you got there?" I said, "Oh, it's a camera." He's like, "Oh, no cameras in the building. No cameras around here. No. It was like that, right? Then as soon as I put it away, he was like, "But I wouldn't care, yada, yada, blah, blah, blah." I'm like, if you wouldn't care, then why the hell you say something? Like, you could have just let me be. So, but few folks selling knives. There was a lady in there selling suppressors, lots and lots of rifles, older rifles, shotguns, ARs galore. Like I said, lots of older and lots of revolvers, period. It was interesting. It seemed, I mean, was it worth $8? Sure. Did I learn anything or see anything out of the extraordinary? No. I did see a pistol that I do not own. I have a, or I don't have a Canik Mete SFX Pro. I do not have an SFX Pro. I did see someone there that had it. I just didn't want to pay full retail price for it. I am hoping that I could get it cheaper through the store used. So that's why I didn't buy it. But it would have, all I would have had to do was pay for shipping and get it shipped to my store in Maryland from here. But I won't say I didn't trust them, but I really didn't know how that was going to work out. So I didn't purchase it because of those reasons. But other than that, all in all, it was a good trip, good time. I wish I would have seen, I was also looking for older Caniks. There's a couple older Caniks that I don't have, and I was looking for those as well. But all in all, I don't know, this experience was an experience. So I don't know if it's something you might want to try, but I think you should probably go to a gun show, at least see what's there, check it out. You might, I won't say make a friend, but you might meet someone that could hook you up with something, or you might find something that you're looking for if you have a particular firearms itch that you want to scratch. So, but I think that does it for this video. Thank you so very much for doing something completely random, out of the box, and that's exactly what this was. So anyway, I'll see you next time.